The Minikid 4 and the Movekid can also be installed in either compact mode or extended legroom mode. Most people will have it installed in compact mode when they first get the seat, and then use extended legroom mode for the children as they get older. I'm going to show you how you can install the seat in extended legroom mode for an older child. So the first thing you're going to do is, likely when you're using extended legroom, you won't have any recline. So we've tucked the recline foot under, and the same on the Minikid 4, you would put the recline foot up. And then you'll see a yellow indicator line here. This is as far back as the seat can come to the edge of the seat, and that's how much you're going to get your extension. So first of all, we'll place the car seat where we want it to go. So it'll be approximately here, just on the edge of the seat. We'll do the same. We're just going to drop the leg down to brace it, just to balance the seat whilst we get it belted in. We'll take our seat belt. We're going to go through the hole again, out the other side, into our seat belt buckle. We're going to push down to remove the slack, making sure that the seat is still staying where in the position that we want it to go to. When we're doing extended legroom, we would tighten it in a fair amount, make sure that we adjust it to where we need it to be, and then retighten the seat belt at the end to make sure that it's fully anchored. We'll then connect our tethers, make sure they're long enough, into the back, and then pull down and tighten the seat. Drop our leg, lock it into place, pull it back, and then remove any extra slack out of your belt by pushing down on your clip, flipping the head up, and then yank it back. You can then do your zip up, and that's be your extended legroom mode for your older child.